Welcome ladies and gentlemen, today's video we're at Moonee Parklands estate. Just this video is about looking at the green retention area to the northeast green belt of the estate. I'm just zooming in now. We should be able to pick up a pink peg. There we are. So from there right around to the northern boundary, this is all this country is going to stay. The bottom of the photo of the video is about the middle of the northern road that will be heading north to another road that will go through into Moonee Beach Estate. Just going to zoom out a bit more, go pan back slightly. So all these trees will be staying. Beautiful buffer, and we're going to curl around trees. We're just about to hit the corner down there where Moonee Creek estuary is just probably only about 50 metres. I'm going to zoom in a bit. So all that bush is at the eastern end of Moonee Parklands estate.